phwrwngnai bebak phasingtwi wngkhese kaham phwrwngnai mankha hinjago. Oboni bagai Tribal Welfare Department ni TTWREIS ni luaijima bai hasteni bebak Eklavya School EMRS EMBDS Residential School te Ashram School rogo bebagai 108 phwrwngnai rokno online training rojagoi tongo. O tang-bwtang no video conference tei Tangsalo Secretariat tang-khornok tei rwkha Montri Mevar Kumar Jamatia. O online training ni bisingtwi bebak phwrwngnai rokno kwtal technology bai kwrwngai tongnani tei phwrwngmungno teibo kaham khwlainani phwrwngjaknai. Hasteo o puila amtwi yapri najagoi tongo hwnwi sakha Montri.
Today we have a great privilege to have a small work, and you know the Tripura is having the new government, BJP IPP government. Our government intention is always to upgrade, to develop first initiative to education, and as you know, education is the most important part of our society. I really thanks our Secretary, Tangsalo Madam, for taking this initiative, and we have a Director Dalong and all his staff for taking this initiative. And he was told that it's free, they're going to help us freely. And this our small initiative. First of all, we take off our EMRS school, Eklavya School. As you know, we're having around 108 teachers. We have in the school, and we're around 2,856 students who are all residential school. And as we have a model school, we try to have a model school. The EMRS is a model school. So first step, we are trying to get trained through Dream and Dream, through online basis, and hopefully I think as I was informed by the Madam from Dream and Dream CU Societa that we are a big organization and we have experience for last 25 years working in this field. So hopefully it will be very great, and this is the first time in Tripura that we're going to introduce this kind of system, and I believe it will be very fruitful for our people and especially for our teachers. They'll get trained and they'll be equipped with the latest modern technology, and hopefully will benefit to our government as well as the people of Tripura.
Paithago training renai motha Dream a Dream ni CEO Sucheta no rang magnawo o training yafarmani bagai hambai yafarkha Montri. O yapri phwrwngmungni digiwo kwtal kaham mari tunai hwnwi khakao Montri. Teibo koktumarok saimanani bagai naitongbaidi kokhorang.